Nargund, Additional Solicitor General of India, Additional Advocate Generals, State Public Prosecutors, and other government advocates, Shri Shanti Bhushan H., Assistant Solicitor General of India, and other central government advocates, Shri Matakapalli Kashinath, Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, and other members of the State Bar Council, Shri Vivek Subba Reddy, President, Shri T.G. Ravi, General Secretary, Shri M.T. Harish, Treasurer, and other office bearers of the Advocates Association Bengaluru, learned Registrar General, registrars, and other officers of the registry, learned judicial officers, learned senior advocates, and other learned members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. We have assembled here today to mourn the sad demise of Honorable Mr. Justice K.L. Manjunath, a former judge of this court, who left for heavenly abode on 23rd of January 2022 at the age of 68 years. Justice K.L. Manjunath was born on 21st of April 1953 at Kantharajapura, Chanaraya Patna, Taluk, Hassan district, to late Srimati Lakshmamma and late Shri K.N. Lakshmaya. After completion of law degree in Government Law College, Bengaluru, he enrolled as an advocate on 13th of September 1974 and joined the office of Shri S. Shekhar Shetty, a leading advocate at Bengaluru. He started his independent law practice in 1976 and went on to become a successful leading lawyer in Bangalore. He practiced for nearly 25 years and handled variety of cases in different branches of law. Justice K.L. Manjunath was appointed as standing counsel for many institutions and was legal advisor for several financial and cooperative societies. He was gifted with fine leadership qualities and was popular amongst advocates. He was elected as president as well as general secretary of the Advocates Association Bengaluru. Apart from that, he was also a member of Karnataka State Bar Council during the period 1994 to 1999. He was instrumental in establishing the Nyay Mitra Cooperative Bank for the advocates and was responsible for the establishment of Advocates Clerks Association. He had great concern for the poor and downtrodden sections of the society and was involved in many social and charitable organizations. Considering his acumen in legal field, Justice K.L. Manjunath was elevated as an additional judge of this court on 11th of December 2000 and became a permanent judge on 29th October 2001. As a judge of this court, Justice Manjunath has rendered many landmark judgments, many of which have been reported in law journals. I am told that he seldom reserved any judgment and used to dictate judgments in the open court on the same day, however complicated the matter may be. On the administrative side, the Justice Manjunath had made valuable contributions. He was the governor of Karnataka Judicial Academy. He had also been the chairman of the High Court Legal Services Committee. He was also president of Bengaluru Mediation Center. He was one who was mainly responsible for the establishment of Arbitration Center Karnataka and was its founder president. Apart from this, he was also a part of several important administrative committees. Justice Manjunath retired as the senior most judge of this court on 20th of April 2015. Even after his retirement, his activities involved himself in rendering services to the society. He served as the chairman of Andhra Pradesh Backward Classes Commission. He was serving as the chairman of the Karnataka River Waters and Border Disputes Authority at the time of his untimely demise. The demise of Justice K.L. Manjunath is a loss not only to the members of his family but also to the judiciary and to the entire legal fraternity. Justice Manjunath is survived by his wife, Srimati Pushpalata Manjunath, daughter Dr. Chaitra Manjunath, son Shri Darpan Manjunath, and grandson Shri Bhautik HS. On behalf of my brother and sister judges and on my own behalf, as also on behalf of the entire legal fraternity, I convey our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family and pray to the Almighty to bestow upon them courage and fortitude to bear the loss. The Registrar General is directed to convey our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family. May the departed soul of Justice K.L. Manjunath rest in eternal peace.
Karnataka, companion judges Bengaluru, Dharwad, Kalburgi, Sri Prabhuling K. Nawadgi, Learned Advocate General, Sri M.B. Nargund, Additional Solicitor General of India, Sri Shanti Bhushan, Sri Venkatesh Karekal, Sri Sudhir Singh, Assistant Solicitor Generals, Sri R. Subramanya, Sri Dhyan Chinnappa, Sri Prasanna Deshpande, Srimati Vidyavati Kotrosetar, Sri Arun Cham, Sri Y.H. Vijay Kumar, Learned Additional Advocate Generals, B.R. Chandramouli, Vice Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, Sri Y.R. Sadasiva Reddy, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, colleague members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Vijay Kumar Chirwant, V.S. Hegde, State Public Prosecutors, Sri Vivek Reddy, President, Sri Ravi, Secretary, Sri Hari, Treasurer of Advocate Association, Bengaluru, Learned Senior Councils, President, Women Federation, Learned Registrar and Judicial Officers, family members of the Honorable Sri Justice K.L. Manjunath, learned members of the legal fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have assembled here to mourn the sad demise Honorable Justice Sri K.L. Manjunath, former Judge of High Court of Karnataka, who passed away on 23rd January 2022. On behalf of the Karnataka State Bar Council and legal fraternity of the state, I express my sincere homage to the departed soul. The Honorable Chief Justice has made a full reference to the qualities and of late Sri Justice K.L. Manjunath, former Judge High Court of Karnataka. Honorable Sri Justice K.L. Manjunath was born on 21st day of April 1953 at Kantarajpura, Chennai Patana Taluka, Hassan district. Srimati Lakshmamma and Sri Lakshmaya were the parents. His Lordship obtained law degree from Government Law College, Bengaluru. His Lordship enrolled as an advocate on 13th September 1974 with the Karnataka State Bar Council and joined the chamber of Sri Shekhar Shetty. His Lordship dealt with all types of cases and represented several institutions such as CET of Government of Karnataka. His Lordship appeared in several commissions of inquiries, including Justice N.D. Venkatesh Commission regarding 1991, violence incidents on gazetting Kaveri Interim Award, and also Justice P.K. Shyam Sundar Commission regarding Kannada Sahitya Parishattu issue. His Lordship was very active member of the bar and participated in all activities. I am proud to say that his Lordship was member of the Karnataka State Bar Council from 11th February 1995 to 14th April 2000. His Lordship served as a President and General Secretary of the Bengaluru Advocates Association, and his Lordship was popular among the advocates. His Lordship was elevated as an additional judge of High Court of Karnataka on 11th December 2000 and became permanent judge on 29th October 2001. His Lordship set a record of serving this High Court for more than 14 years. His Lordship contribution to both the judicial and administrative are very remarkable. His Lordship served as a governor of Karnataka Judicial Academy and also Chairman High Court Legal Service Committee for almost 6 years, President Bengaluru Mediation Center, and also served as a President Arbitration Center Karnataka from 12th December 2012 till his Lordship's retirement. He served as chairman of the Andhra Pradesh Backward Class Commission appointed by the government of Andhra Pradesh for a term of 5 years to submit the report of classification of backward classes. Whereas Honorable Mr. Justice has submitted the report within 14 months, which is really remarkable. Honorable Mr. Justice K.L. Manjunath was appointed as chairman of the River and Border Protection Authority, wherein Karnataka state is a party to Mahadayi, Krishna and Kaveri interstate river disputes and also border disputes issue with Maharashtra state. His Lordship has offered valuable legal suggestions. His Lordship was strict follower of law and insisted the advocates to acquire the latest knowledge of acts, amendments, rules, and regulations to appear before the court. His Lordship contributions are not only fresh in our memory, but also way forward to follow. It is not possible for me to lessen the grief of the bereaved family, but we share the grief with the family members. On my own and on behalf of the legal fraternity, we share the grief and sense of loss. I offer heartfelt condolence to the bereaved family and friends. I pray God to give strength to the family members to bear this great loss. May his soul rest in peace. Namaskar.
Yes, that the court shall not sit for the rest of the day. May I seek your lordship and permission for concluding of this. Yes.